How to delete Settleup account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Settleup account. If you'd like to delete your Settleup account, then first of all open your Settleup application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you'll be able to locate 3 horizontal bars at the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on those bars and then you'll be able to access this side menu. In this sidebar, now you will need to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to your profile page. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom you will be able to locate delete account option. Simply tap on it and here you will be able to see this pop-up. Here it says we can't delete your account because you are an owner of these shared groups. If you'd like to delete your account, you will need to transfer your ownership. That means before deleting your account, you must delete your groups or transfer the ownership. Also make sure to cancel the subscription if you have subscribed to the premium version. Now return back to the home page. Here tap on the 3 horizontal bars at the top right and then select My Groups option. Now here long press on the group until you reach to this page. Here scroll down and select Delete option. Now tap on Delete Group and then you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to enter at least 5 characters from your group name, enter your group name and tap on Delete Group. After that your group will be deleted. Now repeat the same process in all the groups that you have. Simply tap and hold the group and scroll down in this page, tap on Delete option and then select Delete Group. Now here enter the name of your group and tap on Delete Group. By doing so, you'll be able to remove all your groups. Now come back to the home page and then tap on 3 horizontal bars, tap on your profile picture at the top left and then here scroll down at the very bottom, tap on this Delete Account option. Now in this pop-up, you'll be able to see Delete Account option. It says once you tap on this Delete Account, it will delete all the data related to your account and this action is irreversible. If you are okay with that, tap on Delete Account and then wait for a few seconds. And then you will see you have successfully deleted your Settleup account. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete your Settleup account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.